Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we have covered what React is and why it is a fantastic tool to learn. Today we are diving into the next step, setting up your React development environment. Let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about the prerequisites. Before we start, make sure you have basic understanding of JavaScript as React is built on top of it. Now let's get our environment ready. React requires Node.js and NPM to manage dependencies. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime and NPM is the Node package manager that comes with it. To install Node.js, head over to nodejs.org site and download the latest stable version for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts. This will also install NPM automatically. After installation, you can verify it by opening your terminal and running the following commands: node-v, npm-v. You should see version numbers for both Node.js and NPM if everything installed correctly. Now that we have Node.js and the NPM installed, we are ready to create our first React project. We will use a tool called Create React App, which set up everything we need to get started. Open your terminal and run the following command: npx create react app, and give the name to your application as I have given my app. This command creates a new folder called my app with a fresh React project inside. It set up a default project structure, install necessary dependencies, and configure your development environment. Let's take a quick look at the project structure. You will see src folder where your code will live, a public folder for static files, and package.json file that manages your project dependencies. To see your React app in action, navigate into the project folder and start the development server. Run the following command: npm start. This will start local development server and open your app in the browser. The server will watch for any changes you make and update the browser automatically. As you can see, we have default React app running. It's ready for us to start building our own components and feature. Here are a few basic npm commands you will find useful. Npm install to add new packages, npm run build to create an optimized build of your app for production. For coding, I recommend using a good code editor like Visual Studio Code. It has a great support for JavaScript and React. And that's it for setting up your React development environment. We have covered installing Node.js, creating React project, and running the development server. In our next video, we will start building our first React component and dive deeper into the world of React. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.